I'd like to throw out one more thing here too before we move on.
Yeah,
which
sure.
is the possibility that in speaking to your real estate professional, maybe it doesn't make any sense to do anything to your home at all. Can we briefly talk about the as-is condition where they're saying, you go to meet someone and they're like, I'm thinking about replacing the tile here in the front hall before we go to market. And it's like, the buyer for this home is going to tear it down. Like it would be, they're going to build a new house on this lot, or they're going to do such a massive renovation that you won't even recognize it. Let's save you money by not doing anything at all and basically put it out there because someone wants the lot. They don't want this shack. Sorry. But, that I think that needs to be said too. Sometimes no upgrade is really going to help your bottom line.
Totally. Right? Like when it's a shell of a property like that. So I totally agree. So if it's a tear down, do nothing. Sell as is, whereas.
Yes. Yeah.
And then if it's a home where you're going to preserve the home's character, so like an old Victorian with like beautiful moldings and high ceilings and maybe some like gorgeous, woodwork or something like that, or beautiful paneling that you might want to preserve. In those cases, I love when the property is presented, and this is how we would do it. Everything is decluttered, so there's no furniture. It's clean top to bottom, and then it's painted, a fresh white, and it's like a blank canvas, like a gallery of potential at that stage, and it photographs beautifully. It feels airy and big, and then this is where you can steal the buyer's hearts because they can see the potential when it's listed canvas. Just like that.
Yeah.
So I love that. So I do agree totally. There's the sell it, just don't do anything. And then there's that sort of hybrid where you've got to declutter it, clean it, fresh paint. That's it. Photograph beautifully. And then you're like potential in this property. And then there's the next stages after that. It's a really good point. Thanks for bringing that up, Ian.